Adding funds to Binance. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this updated guide, I'll show you step by step how to add funds to your Binance account. Like these kinds of videos, they're right here on the channel. Want more related content? Subscribe, and I'll keep making helpful videos for you. Alright folks, let's get started. The process is quick and easy. I'm logged into my Binance account and you can see the deposit button up top. Click this button to choose from several deposit options. You can add funds to your wallet or spot account. You can trade P2P or buy crypto easily via bank transfer. If you already own crypto, you can deposit it from another wallet to your Binance account. So there are a few options here to add balance to your Binance account. I'm going to click on the first option, deposit money. So I'll add funds to my wallet here. You'll need to choose the currency. You can click here to select the type of currency you want to add. I've chosen my currency, and for this, PIX transfer is recommended, which is what I want. I won't change anything else here, I'll just click continue. Here I'll enter my CPF, then click below to continue. Here you'll enter the amount you want to deposit. I'm going to enter 10 reais. You'll pay via bank transfer, which in this case is PX. Transaction fee, there's no transaction fee for this, and I'll receive 10 reais in my account. You need to agree to the terms and conditions below. So click and give it a read. If you agree, check this box. Then click continue. It's generating my code. Alright folks, my payment code has been generated. I can copy this code, open my banking app and pay. Or I can scan this QR code. I open my account, scan the QR code, and pay to fund my Binance account. Which method did you choose? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.